Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 AirPods not connecting issue fix. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set 001. Click and expand control. Click and expand class. Click folder starting with E0CBF06C. Right-click New, String Value. Type PNP Capabilities. P, P, and C are capital letters. Change value data to 24. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.